All right, guys, look at this before I show you how to put this fitting on the refrigerator. This one right here had one of them plastic furrows in there and the brass sleeve, but they over tightened it and I could not get that plastic furrow out of there. So I had to cut the whole line off and I can't even reuse this sleeve. It don't fit in there. That furrow is stuck up in there. I had to go get another one. Now here's a new piece. Now be careful because see this new one here? If you look up in there real close, I'm gonna show you real. Hold up. The ferrule is inside there. It's made in there, and you kind of want to be careful with it. But let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slide this on here. But this is a brass fitting with the ferrule compression sleeve made inside there. Let me try to get this camera to focus real quick so y'all can see that. You see in there, it's made on there. So you still got to be careful with these right here. You got to watch how much you tighten it because it can cut in your water line, but this is how they kind of sell them now. And you just throw the sleeve in there just like this here and you tighten it onto your fridge. And it's as simple as that, folks. If y'all can see that, just make sure it's all the way in there and that furrow will catch it. Now I'm going to go ahead and screw this on the refrigerator. Now I'm gonna start with making it finger tight, but you want to be careful how tight you make it. So let's make it tight enough so you don't have a leak. Don't over tighten it just enough, then go check and see if you have a leak. And that's all to it, folks. No leaks. Thanks for watching.